we're back working on our 76 D200 and we are putting in a radiator.
You didn't even show it.
Oh, there it is, back there. Putting in a radiator. So we have needed to do this for a while. It's kind of the one thing that's holding it up right now.
No.
So we are going to take the old radiator out, put the new one in, and we'll show you how we do that. You said it made a hissing noise?
Make a hissing noise. This thing. Look at that. It's coming out even faster now.
Oh.
It's got air in it.
So the first thing we did was drain the radiator.
Yeah.
And then took
That's hard.
the hose off, and then that hose.
This hose is probably going to get new hose. I think I got hose in there.
Is it?
I got hose in the other shed. Let's do this while we're waiting for that. I'm going to get this off. This here. Jeez. I think I broke the ratchet. That sucker was on there. That took all I had.
Every little bit.
Give a lot. She's a bit. Oh gosh. Ooh. Look at that old one. But it still works.
Here we have our brand new aluminum radiator, and I will put a link in the description to where we found this in case you yourself decide that you want to change out a radiator in a Dodge.
It's the same, but
It's the same,
it's just
but different.
right. This one still works. I don't know why I'm changing it. Because I guess I don't
Because
know.
we have it, why not?
Yeah, and I'm like, this is probably gonna break before this one.
Should we keep the old one as a backup?
Probably. Just clean it up. Oh, see, just gotta get it. It won't turn.
It won't turn. It's got like, it looks like it has, well, maybe not. There you go.
Is it turning up there?
A little bit.
Oh, man, that sucker is on there. I'm going down here. Anchor off down here.
Oh.
I don't know if I can get this one to come off. I don't want to bust this line. Look at that. I think we need to replace it anyways.
Oh man.
You see that?
Yeah, it's like, what is caked on there?
That's not cake.
Oh, it's not caked, it's all coming off.
That's the rubber coming off.
Oops.
Where does this line go? That is really stuck on there. Is it like coming all the way off?
It's coming.
That's bad, because I didn't want to have to try to do this. I guess we're going to have to. Well, the transmission fluid is dirty.
Well,
There it is.
let's see. That is. Yep.
It's not
It's
clean.
dirty transmission fluid.
Oh, she's heavy. Man, she's heavy. What is this made of?
Stuff from 1976.
What does it say? Use Chrysler antifreeze. It's the original radiator.
What?
Yeah, see, look, it's the Chrysler. That's the original radiator because they had it soldered, and this is where it's leaking from, here and here, and then as you can see, these are corroded
Yeah.
through. Compared to
Okay, I guess it was just awkward.
heavy Brendo over there.
Big Rhonda.
Oh gosh. Okay, so these holes even line up with those holes. This is
So long AC.
there was never any AC in here in the first place.
You could have AC. You have the potential.
What's this thing out of the way? Ooh, that thing's pretty.
Right? Look at all the shiny in here. Shiny. Shiny. Don't look at that fuel filter. Shiny. That's old but shiny. The horns. Shiny.
They were shiny.
They're still kind of shiny. It said.
Right. Like a mummy.
Bye, condenser.
Oh no, we gotta hold on to it until we get a new
No,
one.
I understand that. I'm just saying, bye out of the truck. See you later.
Look at all that room for activities. We could totally
So
put an
much
electric
room.
fan in here. We can get to these wires now. Liz is went to the auto parts store to get a gasket for the thermostat housing. While she's gone, I'm gonna hook up the hose for the radiator, the line, and then I'm having her pick up new transmission line so we can switch those out because they're bad. They're just falling apart and just looking like trash. So we're gonna change those out, and we're gonna clean the transmission cooler out because it's just caked with dust and other kinds of stuff. And we're gonna blow that out, put that back all together, mount it, get everything buttoned back up, and hopefully it runs, and it runs cooler, and we can take it for a good drive. Now let's see here. Will she reach? She seems like she'll reach. Should have went up a little higher. Just I think we're getting it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's. I done put myself in a pickle. Okay, that one's on. Now let's get this transmission line on. It's a little bent, so we're gonna have to bend it. So, Let's see what I can do to bring this down. Oh, there. Let's see. I need to bend it down towards me. Maybe. Oh yeah, just drip all over there. Hopefully things go well. There'll be some good news. I love good news. I'm gonna tighten this one. That's the one that is close up here to the mount balancer. Okay, that's beside the point. Let's get this out of here, and then we'll move it where we need it. All right, there we go. Give that another little turn real quick. Make sure everything's good. All right, so we have to change out these lines. This is corroded. It needs to go. So while I was cleaning up, I freaked out because I lost something very, very important to me. And it took me a few minutes, but I lost my wedding ring. And I'm looking over everywhere for it frantically. And I finally see it. And I don't even know how, but if you can see it, it's up here. So somehow it fell when I was tightening, and I guess I pulled my hand down and it stayed right there. Weird. So, woo-wee! I have to go down there so I can do the lines. Can you go hold the top of that so I can screw this on?
Yep.
Here. Reach it. I mean, that was a big fire.
It still is.
Alright, let me just tighten these two while I'm down here. This looks like something I would have done. But all these clamps are here in this spot. And yeah, they're loose. There, there, that dry, wherever that is. This is weird. I guess they put sticky on them now.
Okay. To keep them in place.
Sure. Ta-da, Eric! You forgot the thermostat. We still gotta do the sending unit too, the temperature sending unit.
Yeah. Did you paint that?
I did.
I was like, I don't remember it looking like that.
I cleaned it this morning.
Looks very nice.
And just gave it a little bit of something. Just something.
Just a little something. I like it.
Nothing crazy. Alright, that's all tight.
Look at those excellent 3/4 skills. Just fabulous. 9.5.
That's money right there, so you gotta make sure you get it all.
Make sure all the money goes in the radiator.
Mm-hmm.
The new radiator and the new thermostat are in. We appreciate you watching, and we will see you next time.